Bradford.
Built this.
Nice.
You see the craftsman work that he's.
He's good. That guy used to live here?
Yeah, yeah.
This is the foyer.
Craftsman.
Foyer. Here's Jim. The living room with tall ceilings.
Yeah.
With a beautiful windows.
Vacuum. Oh my gosh.
It wasn't vacuumed before? This is the, what room is this? Dining room? Formal dining room with a propane stove.
Leave the house.
Ceiling fan. You need to put plastic on those windows.
Just to be teasing them.
Okay, what room is next?
Huh?
What room is next? The kitchen. With a cute little, whatever you call this thing, alcove thing.
What do you mean you're taking my
Oh, there's
picture?
me. Let's wave.
Yeah.
Hi.
Little alcove.
And this is the
My
kitchen.
goodness, this is a good kitchen.
That's where Jim thinks the refrigerator should go. And look, here's a potato holder. Something. You have a potato holder? What do you have to say about that?
Oh, terrific.
Cheerleader. And a bedroom. Oops, I missed one, didn't I?
Oh my gosh, there's still more.
Tall ceilings, beautiful light fixture.
Well, while you're doing that, I'm gonna go set that garage door.
Okay. And the bathroom with the claw tub. Oops. And the shower.
You work for Jim?
No, I'm looking at the house. But I could work for Jim. I'm not really looking for a job, but. And here's a nice closet, a good sized closet.
A walk-in closet.
Okay, so now we've got.
Nothing except in a walk-in closet.
There's a master bedroom that was added on. When a family moved in here, it was just too small for them. So now we have the washer and dryer, and it comes with the house. And this is the master suite. Hello, hello. And with a shower. It seems like there's some space in there that we don't know what's in there.
The shower.
I know, but something's behind there. And here's the master bedroom. And you have a view of the county. Nice windows. And the treat is outside. There's a little cabinet. With the Trek decking. Isn't this beautiful out here? And the hot tub comes with it. Have you seen this backyard before?
No.
And they built this garage recently, and it's a one-car garage, but it's all wired. And then there's a space next to it for
I
parking.
can see why the sign is out there also. Because this goes clear to.
Yeah, it goes all the way to the other street. And look at this beautiful wall.
Jackson.
Isn't that a beautiful wall?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're done.